Today we'll be doing one maths activity to verify Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we have already discussed in the previous class that it is only applicable for a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse or the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So if the two arms of a right angle triangles are A and B and hypotenuse is C, then C square is equal to A square plus B square. The materials needed for this activity are origami paper of two different colors, pens, ruler and a pair of scissors and glue. Procedure: 4 identical right angle triangles are drawn on one origami paper. So all the 4 triangles will be of same color. If you don't get origami paper, then draw 4 identical right angle triangles on a white paper and color them with the same color. While drawing, the measurement of the sides can be taken as base A is equal to 6 centimeter, perpendicular height B is equal to 8 centimeter, and the longest side or the hypotenuse is C is equal to 10 centimeter. Now these 4 triangles are cut using scissors. Now we are drawing a square of side 10 centimeter from another origami paper which is of different color. Now I think all of you have noticed that the side of the square is 10 centimeter and the hypotenuse of the triangles are also 10 centimeter. So they are same. Now we are pasting the 4 triangles on the square in such a manner that the hypotenuse is merged with the side, because the length of hypotenuse is 10 centimeter and the side of the square is also 10 centimeter. So they are merged together as it is shown in the figure, and it is labeled in the manner shown. Now if I name the big square PQRS, then each side of it, that is PQ or QR or RS, each side is equal to C. And when we are pasting the triangles, right angle triangles, the right angles are all lying towards the center of the square, and the length of perpendicular is B and base is A. So labeling must be done nicely. So when all the 4 triangles are pasted on the square, we will see that a small square is seen in the middle of different color, the color what we have chosen for the square. It will look like the second figure. Now let us write down the observation after making this figure. Now we can see that the length of the side of the big square is C and the length of the hypotenuse is also C. Now as the length of each side of the square is C, so the area of the big square will be C square. That means side into side. C into C makes it C square. The base of each triangle is A and the perpendicular height of each triangle is B. Now we know that the area of triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. If we replace the values, we are getting half into A into B or half AB. So area of 4 triangles will be 4 into half into AB. After reducing, we are getting 2AB. Now when we stick the 4 triangles on the square, we can see that a small square is left in the middle of different color. Geometrically, we can say that the length of the square is a minus b. So, the area of the small square will be a minus b whole square, because each side is a minus b. So, side into side will be a minus b into a minus b, that makes it a minus b whole square. As the big square is fully covered by 4 right angle triangles and one small square in the middle, so the area of the big square must be equal to the sum of areas of 4 triangles plus area of small square. So, C square is the area of the big square, that is equal to the sum of area of 4 triangles, that is 2ab, plus area of small square a minus b whole square. If you expand the identity a minus b whole square, we are getting C square is equal to 2ab plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. 2ab and minus 2ab gets cancelled. So, we are getting C square is equal to a square plus b square. This is how we have proved Pythagoras theorem. Conclusion is, we have verified Pythagoras theorem through this activity. Now, this entire activity you have to do in your Mac notebook, and the topic is data handling. Use 2 different color origami paper. Take the measurement as it is given in the slide. That means the height of the triangle will be 8 centimeter, base will be 6 centimeter and hypotenuse will be 10 centimeter. And the length of each side of the big square will also be 10 centimeter. Labeling must be done following this diagram. As soon as you finish, will be sending it to me by mail. If you face any difficulty in understanding any part of it, please ask me in the Teams class. Thank you, children.